So the topic for today is imagination drawing. Now, what are imagination drawing? Imagination drawing is something which we imagine and draw without thinking whether it's wrong or right. It can be anything you imagine, whether it exists or do not exist. You can create any scene, anything which you like to draw, anything which you love to play, or anything. So, what you need to do is, you need to simply close your eyes and imagine something. And whatever you imagine, you have to put it on the paper. Without thinking that, oh, this doesn't exist in real life. Or, oh, this might be wrong. Or, oh, this is impossible. Okay, so let's close our eyes for a minute and think of a scene. When I close my eyes, I think of a very funny scene where an ice cream is running from the sun because the ice cream is scared that it might melt if it stays in front of the sun. So I can make something like an ice cream running and a sun here. Okay, likewise, whatever you have imagined, you can put it on your paper. So let me put my imagination here. So for that, I need to draw an ice cream first. Let me draw the ice cream. So here is the cone of my ice cream. And this is the top part, which I am making using the curvy lines, or you can say the alphabet U. Okay, so my ice cream is ready. Now I'll make the sun. Okay, I will make sun in front. So a circle, then some lines here. Yeah. So we are done with the sun and the ice cream. Now comes the story part. So the story is the ice cream is running from the sun because ice cream is scared that it might melt. So what comes in your mind when you think of running? Legs, right? So let's add some leg. Not some, but two. Yeah. So let's add 2 legs of the ice cream. For that, we just drawn 2 straight lines and then this horizontal line, and then we will add a shoe here. And like an ice cream, wearing a shoe is quite impossible. But as I said, there is nothing right and wrong in imagination drawing. You can imagine anything and draw. And here's the second leg. Again, the same process. Diagonal, one more diagonal. And the same way, diagonal and one more diagonal. And let's add one more shoe. Okay, so it gives us an idea that the ice cream is walking. But to make it look more interesting, what we can do is we can add the hand as well. So for that, we need to use the same process. Diagonal and again a diagonal. Like this, and we will make finger kind of thing. And again, one hand at the back. Like this. So here is a walking, or you can say a running ice cream. Now let's add some facial features to make the ice cream look more cartoonish. Okay, so let's add some eyes here. The 2 eyes of ice cream. Let's add some lashes, eyebrows, and now we will make the ice cream look as if the ice cream is looking at the sun and running. So we will make the eyeball accordingly. And now the ice cream is scared. So let's give it a little scary look. When we are scared, we start sweating, right? Or you can also show that the ice cream has already started melting. That is why it's running. So we can show some melted ice cream here. And then we will make a scary look. Because the ice cream is scared, right? That it might melt because of the sun. Now, I think we can easily depict the story from here. I have put my imagination on the paper. Now comes a little detailing part, that is adding cherry, adding the texture of the cone. We'll do that. And yeah, my imagination is completed. I have put my imagination on paper. I know it's not possible for an ice cream to walk like this. It's not possible for the ice cream to have eyes. But again, I said, imagination drawing has nothing to do with right or wrong. It's all about what you think you put on the paper. So I have put my imagination on the paper. Likewise, you have to do the same.